What's going on, guys? Crank here, Crank's Fab Shop, and today, as you can see, Herbert is not on the lift. You may be able to hear him. I don't know. Can you hear that? Can you hear that sweet, sweet sound? I don't know if you can or not. We'll see. Anyway, we're headed to Warlock Dyno Tuning and Performance to get Herbert, my LS swapped G30 van, on the rollers. Get this thing tuned up and see what kind of power it makes. Drop a comment below. LQ4 with a cam, BTR truck torque cam. Leave a comment below what numbers you think it's going to put down to the wheels. So let's go see if we can make it out of the driveway. We did get some weather, some snow, so let's see if we can get out. Let's see if I can make it out of here. I mean, it's not terrible. It's snow, so it's not too slick. But this van is just it likes to get stuck. So yeah, I don't think we're gonna have much of a problem. Once we get to the main road, we'll be clear. So oh yeah, no worries. Herbert gets the job done. Yeah, alright. We'll see you all when we get to Warlock Dyno Tuning and Performance. Let's go!